Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic. And you guys, I am so excited. I have just landed in Oslo, Norway. I am on my 18th Adventures by Disney tour, and today we're here for our pre-night, and we're at the Grand Hotel Oslo about to do the Arctic Expedition cruise. So very excited about that. So the Grand Hotel is our first hotel, Grand Hotel Oslo, and I'm going to show you and tour you around our junior suite. So it's a corner suite. It's beautiful. We were upgraded. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Now let's go tour this beautiful corner suite. Walking down the hallway is so beautiful, and we are in 405 at the Grand Hotel Oslo. Look at this, y'all. This is so awesome. Beautiful carpets, mirrors, and check out this gorgeous room. Gorgeous room. So there's a full living room in the corner room, and I'll definitely show you the view. Hi, honey. And then there is a king bed here, and then your bathroom. This is just outstanding. When you travel with Adventures by Disney, you can guarantee that you have the best accommodations there are to offer at each of the locations. Adventures by Disney is definitely luxury group travel, and it is my specialty. So you'll want to make sure you contact me, Melissa VIP Magic, when you get ready to go on any Adventures by Disney. We can discuss the tour, discuss accommodations, and get you guys all set up. All right, so we've got a beautiful chandelier here. We've got seating. So lovely. We've got 2 flat screen TVs welcoming us here. We've got a safe down here. We've got a few snacks. We do have a refrigerator with bottled Coke Zero. That was my first thing I had. And here's an espresso machine with some pods. And then we also have some teas here. And then let's go and look at the art, so pretty. And here is the king size bed. Looks so very soft. And here are your plugs. So we've got the Norway plugs there, so you'll need to make sure you bring an adapter. We also have a beautiful chandelier in the bedroom. Now let's go see the lovely master bath. It's gorgeous. It has a double sink here. Just beautiful. A makeup mirror, stand-up shower. There's your tub. So pretty. Your toilet area. Just so clean and fresh. And here is your soap products, body wash, etc. And then now let me show you the view. Oh my goodness, you guys. We're gonna have to go outside and take a walk. Here's a desk also. This is really nice. And I notice if you open it up here, it says the Grand Hotel Oslo in a little pin set. That's so nice. Oh, okay, let's look at this. Wowza. Talk about a beautiful room. It's a beautiful day. We left Texas, record heat, and it is high in the 70s here in Oslo. What a beautiful, outstanding view. I'm gonna need to go out and walk around today. Just outstanding. One other thing I want to mention is when you check in, we've already got a list of what's going to go on tomorrow. There's a hospitality desk from 8:30 to 12 and 2:30 to 4:30. We'll meet our adventure guides. We have a welcome dinner at 6 o'clock tomorrow night. This is what we're going to do with our luggage. And then we have a flight right off. So again, Adventures by Disney takes care of all of your luggage for you. So this is exactly what we need to do with our luggage. Oh, good. Kira, Tiffany, Doug, and Damien. Woohoo! I'm so excited to see everybody. So yeah, this is so you know exactly what you're doing. You know where you're going. There's no guessing. And I also wanted to mention too, when we landed at the airport, ABD, Adventures by Disney, was there to greet us, so you don't have to worry about transfers either. So let me tell you all the offerings that Adventures by Disney has to offer, because if you're looking for luxury group travel, then this is the place for you. It is an outstanding way to see the world. So for your next Adventures by Disney tour, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with a Disney expert so you don't miss a thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my travels around the world. I look forward to seeing you soon.